have to talk about is like finally the film is releasing. The trailer has released. The introduction of Bob Biswas happened in 2012. We were like, I mean, that was so creepy. I mean, never have I ever seen a Bengali character which is that as creepy and scary and everything like Bob Biswas before. And then this is the spin-off.
This is a new Bob, which was very exciting, and that's perhaps one of the reason I am not directing it. Okay, this was the whole a new approach to Bob, where we wanted to see how Bob would be as a human being. What drives him? What does he do? What is his family? And how this whole thing is, you know, he's a person. What was very exciting about, does he have the same accountability and responsibilities as all of us? You know, now, right now, you are, for example, a journalist. You may go out of the door and you become a daughter. You may step out of your house and you become a sister. You know, and in each role, Arundhati, you have equal amount of responsibility and equal amount of accountability. Okay, so for me, what was very exciting is to see how Bob would be in those other roles apart from the roles we have seen in him.
Which is a professional contract killer.
Which is a contract killer, because we didn't see much of him. We only saw 8 minutes of him in Kahani. You know? Yeah. So that was the exciting part. How does this whole thing work? I mean, how does Kolkata operate? How is this world of Bob? Where does he operate? What does he do? What are his responsibilities? Does he have a family? So, you know, all those things started creeping up in your head. And that's when this new Bob happened, you know, to create a Bob whom we don't know, because the Bob we know is in Kahani.
So is there any meeting point between the Bob that we saw in Kahani and the Bob that we see now? Because this is more of like the backstory of Bob. So is it your way of telling why Bob has become what he has become?
Now you're asking for a spoiler. So that you'll have to see the film. No. That you'll have to see the film where the meeting, if there is a meeting point, and if so, where it is. But yes, there's definitely points where there are conflicts. You know, there are conflicts because right now the point Bob is in, his every decision affects him. Initially, whatever he did earlier only affected him. Now, whatever he does affects him, his wife, his family, his workplace, his friends, his people he knows. So right now, his decisions are much more, he has to think through his decisions.
Talking about it, that, you know, it's a new Bob Biswas that we are waiting to watch in this film. Is that one of the reason why the character of the Bob Biswas is also played by an actor that we have never seen before in this character, which is Abhishek Bachchan, because in the earlier one it was Shashwat Chatterjee.
Yeah, no, it was a very conscious decision because I wanted to move away from Kahani. This is not Kahani. This film is not Kahani from any angle. Okay, this is a new film which has its own standing, and therefore it had to be a character which we are creating. You know, we have to create a character and the world within which this character exists. So even me being involved would have created a problem. So the whole idea was to take a completely fresh approach to creating the world and the character who's based in that world, who's Bob Biswas. And when you create a Bob Biswas, it's like your Sherlock Holmes, it's like your Bond, it's like your Batman. Tomorrow.
No, I understand that, but it is still about the character Bob Biswas, right? So when we are talking about because Abhishek is such a fine actor, and this is this is a surprise for all the Abhishek fans also to see him. It's such a different character. I'm sure even Abhishek never thought कि वो लाइफ के अंदर ऐसा character वो कभी करेगा. लेकिन the point that I was trying, I mean, again, asking from a very curious mind, Shujata, that when you were saying it is about the character and a new approach, and that is why you have decided not to direct the film. because then it is not your vision, like it is not your perspective.
It's a completely
Also,
fresh
yes,
look at a new character.
yes. Also, that is one of the reason why you have cast a new actor.
Yeah.
And I understand that also. But you tell me, if I look at some of the legendary character, and very different world, one from another. Then we have the example of Gopika and Bagabain. Like Hirok Raja Deshe and Gopi Bagha Fire Gelo are two different worlds altogether. But Gopi and Bagha are the same character played by the same actor. They are going to the different world and giving us different perspective altogether. So then
Great.
why when it comes to Bob Vishwas and Shashwato and Abhishek, why there is this difference?
Okay, very simple. If I want to do Gopika and Bagabain now, what do I do?
Yes, because those actors are no more, but Shashwato Chatterjee is alive.
No, but the thing is, so I'm saying it's not impossible to recreate the worlds. Okay, I understand Shashwato is there. If probably if I was helming the film, then Shashwato would have been a better choice. You know? But that is a different film. See, Kahani is a different film, and Bob is a completely new film. You know, so I think today, if I was to do Hirok Raja Deshe, or if I were to do Gopika and Bagabain, it would be completely a different Gopika and Bagabain. You know, and or anyone else for that matter. Even if Babuda wants to do Gopika and Bagabain, Babuda can happily do it. You know, so I'm saying it's the content, the literature, the story that has more value and which exists. Will always exist, you know, even when we don't exist, and the characters will exist, and hence we create it like that. And that was I was very clear about it from day one. This is how it has to be. Not to hotona, because it's the fun of finding somebody new. Relationship
that you have even with the Bachchan family, right? Like the last song of Kahani was like, you know, that was the first time we got to hear like, you know, Mr. Bachchan singing a song and that in Bangla. That was one of the things. And then you also have worked with him, and now you are like, you know, this is another one. And tell me, like, now after going through so much, finally, did you get a chance to like, you know, watch the film with Mr. Bachchan or the Bachchan family in entirety, and what was their reaction like, and what are they saying? I mean,
no, I'm sure Sir is very happy with the trailer. Right? He's seen the trailer. He was very happy, and yeah, you know, it's like I've never felt so much like a father on a set as been on Bob Biswas. So no, I will see the film with Sir once, maybe next week sometime. Then I'll tell you how he reacted. But no, I haven't still seen the film with Sir yet. I have to be absolutely pitch perfect before I show it to him. So I'm getting everything right. There's no way I'm showing him the film without getting everything right. Yeah. No, Babade. No chance. I have to get everything right before I show him the film. What
was SRK's reaction like? Because the film is coming from his production house. You went to narrate the script. Like, how was it like? Interaction with SRK, I was asking.
No, actually, no. You know, this is the best thing about Red Chillies. I to be very honest, I don't interact with Mr. Khan that much, because he's not on a day-to-day basis. I react with his company. I react with Gaurav Verma, who's my person, and you have no idea how supportive they have been on this particular film. You know, I don't even remember them hearing the script also. I'm serious. I'm not joking.
Really?
Yeah. I genuinely can't remember Gaurav. मतलब शूटिंग वूटिंग जब चालू हो गया तभी शायद मैं उसके स्क्रिप्ट का कॉपी दिया कि नहीं दिया, अभी तक याद नहीं है. बट आई डोंट थिंक, आई थिंक दैट इम्प्लिसिट अमाउंट ऑफ ट्रस्ट they gave me on this film is mind blowing, and I genuinely hope I haven't messed that up. I genuinely hope. Yeah. So yeah, it's been a great ride. I only met Khan Sahab at that time when we were shooting. And then he was supposed to come for the shoot in Kolkata. I told him to come and do a walk, but unfortunately he couldn't make it. But yeah, it's great. The amazing amount of support that I've got, because this film really went through a lot of things, like standing, doing nothing during the COVID period.
Yeah, I'm
Then-
sure.
Then, we had certain things in Kolkata, then Amphan happened and everything got washed away. We had to start back from scratch. Okay. Thank
Before I wrap up the conversation, because we thank you so much for giving so much time. But before I wrap it up, I just want to know one more thing, because you just mentioned that I think never have I ever felt so much like a father figure on the set of the film, because I understand
Not because of Dia.
responsibility, but not because of Dia, I'm sure. But what I want to know, that as a not as a father maybe, but as a filmmaker, what are the things that you probably noticed in her, even when maybe she was 10, 12 years old, that you probably thought there are some sparks that kind of tells me that she potentially in future could be like a good storyteller or a filmmaker.
That's gut, and I really genuinely don't know how to explain this. Like when I met Ribu, I knew Ribu could do it. It's just an instinct today. It's more of an instinct.
I'm sure, because her short films also are well appreciated, and I think those are the time when you are like, see, I thought that she could become one, and yes, she is becoming one. I'm sure that kind of really proud papa kind of a moment probably you had.
No, because when she did that short film, she had given me that script to read, and honest to God, I read that script. I didn't understand head or tail of that script. I just didn't understand what's going on in that script. But I couldn't break her heart, and I said, yeah, okay, good. But kya bolu? So, and then she went and made that film, and it went to Cannes and all that. So my chup se ek kone mein baith gaya. So I realized, their thinking is completely different to mine. So I shouldn't even step in there, because I don't understand that world. I don't understand their vision, how Dia operates, how Shom operates, how to a certain extent Ribu operates. Clear with their emotions, with their relationships, with their future. I'm like, oh, okay then.
Yeah, super solid. Solid.
Yeah. So I'm like, thank you. So I will stay in the background. Call me when you need tea or pizza. I'll come. Otherwise.
Well, but just be supportive, and just keep making films the way you are doing it, because you are killing it. Now Bob is gonna kill a lot of people probably, but we have to watch that.
Please do.
And thank you so much for giving your time. Thank you.
Thank you. Tata.